Hello students, welcome to Evershine Coaching Center. I am Shah Faisal sir here. Dear students, today I am going to give you the very important update and also the information regarding the class 10th SSLC board exam. Okay, see children, today we are releasing, this is our first video of for this academic year 2021. Children's, today we are going to give you the very important questions as per our crash course for 90 days plan. So this is our day 1 session. In this session I am going to explain you and as well give you the very important questions regarding your social science as per day 1 plan. See children, here we are giving you the important questions as you can see here on the screen, the questions. Okay, like describe the Khilafat movement, explain the major developments that took place during non-cooperation movement. Now what you need to do is, you have to copy down these all questions. I need to try to find the solutions for this. And make sure children, these all questions carrying 4 marks. Okay, these all questions has the weightage to ask for 4 marks. ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ತುಂಬ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಕಾಪಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರೀರಿ, ಬರ್ದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. These things you need to complete by today itself. Are you getting children? These all things you are supposed to complete by today itself. And students, one more important thing I just like to tell you before I could go below. Still, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel Evershine Coaching Groups, do subscribe it and click the bell icon and select all. Why I am telling you people to subscribe? Because whatever the videos we are going to upload, so that instant notifications you people will get, and also you will get the details about our further classes also. Here we, according to a crash course plan of our 90 days, we are going to cover your complete syllabus. Okay, with respect to the subjects Kannada, Mathematics, Science and Social for Karnataka State Board SSLC students, and for CBSE students for Maths and Science. We are covering in this crash course the very important questions. Now only the duty of yours is, you no need to buy any guides or no need to refer any previous year question papers or anything, because we are giving all details in our video and we are collecting all the informations, as well as we are just communicating with other higher authorities also, and we are collecting the informations according to that, as per the department, as per the board. Okay, we are giving you the questions here. So these videos are very helpful and very much useful, and you should not miss any of our class and any of the day's plan, so that you can score a very good marks. If you are following us every day, and if you are following us each and every topic, okay, whatever we are giving, so definitely believe me, trust me, you are going to get the guaranteed marks. You can score out of what marks also. Okay, we are trying our level best. Our intention is not like we have to make you people to just pass and complete your academic year. We want you have to score. Our plan and our intention of our channel is, we want to make you people to score, to uplift your marks. This is the first time in the history of Evershine Coaching Center. Okay, we have started since 2007. Okay, from 2007 till now we have got the excellent results, and the materials whatever we are providing, definitely it has been given a very amazable, unbelievable results we have got children in our past. The same thing now, due to this situation, as per the, because our institute is managed by Evershine Educational and Charitable Trust, that is the reason we are conducting these all programs to make you people to reach to your success. Our dream is your dream as well. Your dream is our dream, and our dream is also should be your dream, right? These all are just nothing but vice versa, right? See children, so these all questions I want you have to go through it, and I am just going down as you can see here. So these all questions carrying 4 marks. It comes in your long answer carrying questions. I hope you can see these all questions. And also children, still if your friends have not subscribed, your classmates, friends, neighbors, relatives, even you also can ask them also to subscribe to our channel and use our videos. Are you getting my point children? And if you have liked our class and liked our videos, do not forget to click the like button and comment below about how was this class. Okay, and share this video as much as possible with your all friends.